Oh boy. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we have made it to the meetup spot. Yo, look at all the... I told you it's a grom ride out, but we got tons of other bikes coming. I'm gonna get some gas real quick. But bro, look at everyone here, bro. Look at everyone over here. Oh bro, this is like a little lot. Little lots of... Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, it's going on, bro. Say, I want to see some work on that.
Oh, you're MotoBroo.
That's me.
What's going on, homie?
Chilling, bro, chilling. Bro, he has a little thing on the back. Ooh. Right, look. Yo, look at this thing. Yo, that is so bro, it's bagged out. All right, here we go. Holy crap, and we're off, bro. We got big bikes. We got every type of bike. Any bike out here, you'll see it today. Look at everyone. Bro. So loud. Yo, look how many people there are, dude. Look out. This is crazy, bro. Let's go. We're out here. The whole pack coming in. Let's go. Oh, let's go.
I just watched the vlog, bro. I just want to show love to you, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
It's dope as fuck to see you riding, bro.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Yo, look at everyone coming through. The boy Tater out here. Yo, dude, this is never ending. They just keep coming. Yo, what the hell does he have behind his bike, bro? Yo, look at that view, bro. We got the sailboat. That's gonna be me in a couple years. Sailing off into the distance, bro. Alright. Y'all know what time it is. We're at the gas station. Yeah, let's pump this bad boy up. I already know I'm low on gas. I gotta be low as hell on gas. Oh boy. Did you put it? Good. Alright, we're at the gas. You sure? My damn outside, baby. Let's go. You already know the boy Tater. Hey! Oh, I thought that was oil. I'm like, what? Yeah. Let's go, bro. Yeah, we definitely took this thing over real fast, bro. I literally had time to replace my battery. I was on the side of the road and the pack was still going. I replaced my battery and the pack was still going past me. Bro, I barely used any gas. Yo, dude. This is the gas station. Alright, so bro, we have all the homies at the gas station right now. Someone brought a utility quad. You been doing wheelies on that?
Not today.
Not today.
Not today.
Yeah. Hey, well,
New to it.
have a good one.
You too.
Boys on the mini bike. On the mini bike, let's go. That's fire. Yes, sir. Hey, good one. I don't know why I said good one, but good shit I meant. Yo, he had a fucking drink in his pocket. Like, let's go. Yes, sir. We made it to another gas station. Y'all know the vibe. Getting some gas at the gas station. No panic zone out here. No panic. Thank you. Let's go. Oh boy. Alright, we got my gas. Thank God, bro. That's the scariest thing at the gas station, is just getting gas. But we got our gas, so we're chilling. Dude, everywhere you look. Oh my gosh. Madness. Homie, it's just 12 o'clock wheel ski. Bro, that piston's so pissed right now, dude. The piston getting no oil.
I stopped, he was already up like a fucking straight stick. Yeah.
I thought maybe he's coming in here.
Yeah.
I was scared a little bit. What are you riding today?
Huh? I don't know, I don't find it, I don't have nothing.
You don't have a bike?
Yeah, I have on my bike.
No, yeah. What?
On the ground.
Oh, you're on the Grom?
Yeah.
Let's go. Even you got the sock on the bill and everything. Bro, look at this. Big old Harley, dog. Bro, I don't even know which one it is. Hopefully this one.
Pick the right one. Now you're putting diesel in, bro.
Dude! You're scaring the shit out of me. I'm already panicked because we're at a gas station.
Yeah, I know, right?
Bro, you got the gold chain, bro!
Hey.
What's good, bro? Let me see the chain real quick.
What?
Let me see the chain.
Oh.
Woo, you hear that click clacking? That's how you know it's real.
Right.
Holy crap. Bro, gas station adventures, bro. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I mean, bro, this was gnarly, bro. As you can see, all the bikes here, it's just such a freaking vibe. Shout out to 150 for holding up, keeping me safe on the ride. I freaking love you. Remember, we have merch in the description down below. Till next time, peace.